bags available in store R in December and that available in November was 7:6. Find how many more bags were available in store R in December as compared to November. How many more bags? Correct? In December, how many parts we have? 7. November, how many parts more? Which is 1/6, right? Bag R, right? 1/6 of 30, 5%. Where you know 1% value is? Answer. What is the difference between average number of bags available in P, Q together and average number of bags available in R and S together? P, Q, sum 42, average. R and S, sum, average 23. Difference 2% in the sense 2 into 1% value. In November, 1/12 of the available bags in store Q remained unsold. 3/16 of available bags in store T remained unsold. How many bags were sold by store Q and T together? Q. If 1/12 are unsold, 11/12 are sold. From T, 3/16 are unsold. Sold are 13/16. Correct? Right. So it is clearly 11/12 kada idi. 11/12. 12 2 times 2 into 11, 22% in the sense 22 into 8 times, and here 4 times, 4 3 times, 13/4 into 3, which is 39/4, 1% value, 4 2 times. First number ends with 6, other number ends with 8, sum should end with 4. How many options? Only one, second final. What is a central angle? Stop. When it is about central angle, answer must be a multiple of 9. Can it be first? No. Second? No. Third? No. Fourth? Yes. Fifth? No. Because you know that 100% is equal to 360 degrees, where 1% value is equal to 3.6 degrees. 3.6 is 9 multiple. So when you want to calculate x percentage, x into 3.6, it is a 9 multiple. Every number should be a multiple of 9. Got it? Ardhamainda? If your percentage is integer, then answer must be 9 multiple. For example, if it is x by 3 percentage, can you verify 9 multiplication? Because denominator is 3, 1% value is 9 multiple. Out of 9, 1 3 gets cancelled and answer will be 3 multiple only. Getting my point? If it is x by 4 percentage, can answer be a 9 multiple? Yes. In denominator 4 is there. Ardhamainda? Amma 1% value ne kada 9 multiple. If it is x by 4%, 1% value is 3.6. Here numerator we have 9 multiple. In denominator we have 9 multiple, that gets cancelled. Answer cannot be a 9 multiple. If denominator is 3 multiple, 9 multiple cancellation in 3 multiplication, answer should be 3 multiple. If denominator is non-3 multiple, then answer must be 9 multiple. Point ardhamainda? In January, the total number of bags available in all stores together was 40 more than that available in November. What was the number, what was the percentage increase in total number of bags available in all the stores together from November to January? In January, bags are 40 more that of November. Percentage of increase in the number of bags available in all the stores together in November to January. All stores kadandi adagindi. Avuna? How many more are we getting? You know that total is equal to 800. If it is increasing by 40, it should be percentage 5% direct. Yes. Three years ago, the respective ratio between A's age at that time, B's age at that time was 9:5. A's age 2 years hence will be 17 more than B's age 5 years hence. B's present age is, let me start with this statement. A's age 2 years hence, A plus 2 will be equal to 17 more plus 17, B's age 5 years hence. From this, A minus B is equal to 20. Come on. Their ages ratio mentioned as 9:5. Difference parts? 4 parts is equal to 20 only, then 1 part will be. Now the question is about B's present age, right? 3 years back, B's age was 5 parts, where 1 part is equal to 5. 5 parts will be 25. Then at present, how many years do you need to add? 3 years. Then answer will be 28. At its usual speed, a train of length L meters crosses a platform 300 meters long in 25 seconds. At 50% of its usual speed, the train crosses a vertical pole in 20 seconds. What is the length of L? Okay. Train length, that's what the question. Correct? First case, how much time is it taking? Second case? Second case, 20 seconds. But observe carefully, does speed is same in both the cases? No. In first case, it is traveling with its usual speed only. But in second case, it is traveling with, that means it is traveling with less speed, right? If it is traveling with less speed, will it take more time or less time? More time. If it is traveling with 50% speed, how much more time will it take? Otherwise, how much time will it take? Double. It will take double. Avuna? With double the time, it is equals to 20 seconds. Then with original speed, it should cover the same distance in half of the time only. How much? Huh? In first case? Second case? Difference? Why is it coming as 15 seconds difference? Because of platform length. In first case, train crosses a platform. It will cover train length and then platform length. Whereas second case, it is going to cover a pole. That means it is covering its own length. Correct? So to cover platform length of 300 meters, it is taking 15 seconds. Correct? With original speed, how much time is it taking to cover the distance? In 10 seconds, whatever the distance that it is covering will be equal to length of the train only. 15, how many times? 10, 20s, over. Clear? Come on. Sum of dimensions of room is 24 meters and length, breadth, height are in the ratio 8:7:5. Total, how many parts do we have? How many parts? Which is equal to 24 meters only. If 20 parts is equal to 24, don't try to calculate what is one part value. If the room is to be painted at the rate of 12 per square meter, what would be the total cost incurred on painting only 4 walls? 4 walls area is going to be 2H into L plus B. You know BH, BH, front and back, BH, BH. Left side and right side, LH, LH. So 2 times of BH, 2 times of LH. So area is going to be 2 height times of L plus B. Agreed or not? What is height? Parts wise. Parts wise. 2H, L plus B, how many parts? 15. This is the area of the four walls. And price per square meter is equal to 12. Correct? Right. And this is what we have to find out. 20 parts is equal to 24. 10 parts is equal to 12. 20 parts is equal, otherwise, using 10 parts, how do you get 15 parts? Half more. Come on. Don't go up. Already we know 10 parts value. And now we need 15 parts. We need to add half. What is half of this fellow? Amma? 6. Add 6. Into. Ends with. How many? Followed. PQR have a certain amount of money with themselves. Q has 25% more than P has. R has 1/5 of what Q has. If P, Q, R together have 150, then how much money does P alone have? Q has 25% more than P. P, Q, R. 25% fraction. Denominator. I'll start taking P as 4x. Q is 25% more, 1/4 more, x more, 5x. R has 1/5 of what Q has? 1/5 of 5x, x. All together are having, all together in terms of x, 10x. 10x is equal to 150, x is equal to 15, P is equal to 4 times of x. In a class, the average weight of 40 boys is 65 kgs and that of 50 girls is 60 kgs. After a few days, 40% of girls and 50% of boys leave. What would be the new average weight of the class? Note, assume that the average weight of boys and girls remains constant throughout. Okay. Finally, we were asked to calculate average. Antena? Boys and girls put together. How much is boys average? How much is girls average? Then total average will be in between 65 and 60 only. Can it be first option? Second? Yes. Third? No. Fourth? No. Fifth? Yes. Two possibilities are there. If there is only one such option, you don't have to solve it. Now let me calculate. Is that okay for you? Initially, how many boys are there? What percentage are going to leave? That means 20 are going to leave. How many are there now? Come on. 20 people are there. 20 boys. Girls are 50. 40% of the girls leave. That means 40% of 50, which is 20. If 20 girls leave, how many will be there? Huh? What is the ratio between boys to girls? That means here 2 parts should come, here 3 parts should come. And you know that answer is either second or fourth. Either you prove one is right or you prove one is wrong. Okay. What should I pick? Second or fourth? Second or fifth? Second or fifth? If I take 62 here, 65, 62 difference, 62, 60 difference, is the ratio equals to 2:3? Second final. If not that, fifth option, 64, final answer. Okay. Here I am going with option verification because still you can get the answer, but you need to know one point. In allegation, average difference, average difference should be equal to sum of number of parts. That is a point you should know. Sum of parts is 5 parts if it is equal to average 5. Then 1 part is equal to 1, 2 parts is 2. Here it should be 62. Condition satisfied. Got it? Right. If you don't know that point, just go with elimination process. A starts a small business with 3,600 at the end of few months. How many months? We don't know. From the start of the business, B joined with 4,000. If the annual profit between A and B was divided between them in the respective ratio 6:5, B joined the business after how many months from the start of the business? 3,600, 4,000. 2 zeros common. 36:40 ratio. 9:2. A is there from the beginning till the end? 12 months. B, assume he joined after X months. Then he will be there in the business for 12 minus X. This is what profit sharing ratio is equal to 6/5. 6, 2 times 5, 2 times 2 gets cancelled. 12 minus X is equal to 9. X is whatever is asked in the question, you start taking that fellow as X. Question is after how many months B joined. So assume he is joined after X months. So he will be there in the business for 12 minus X. జనరల్గా చేసే మిస్టేక్ ఏంటి అని అంటే చెప్పండి మీరే. X-12 కాదు, అట్లేమనుకోరు. ఇక్కడ ఏం తీసుకుంటారు? X తీసుకుంటారు. X తీసుకుంటే ఏమొస్తుంది? 9 వస్తుంది. నాలాంటి క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ ఇస్తే ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్లో ఏమి ఇస్తాడు? మీలాంటి వాళ్ళు ఆన్సర్ చేస్తే ఏం చేస్తారు? పెడతారా? కేర్ఫుల్గా ఉంటాము మేము, నువ్వు అనుకున్నట్లు కాదు, మేము ఇంటెలిజెంట్ ఫెలోస్ అని చెప్పాలి కదా మీరు. నేను తిడితే కమాన్ తిట్టు, ఎస్ ఇంకా తిట్టు. కేర్ఫుల్గా ఉంటారా ఉండరా? అన్న రెడ్ షర్ట్ నువ్వు ఏంటి అట్లున్నావు, ఏమన్నా ప్రాబ్లం ఉందా? తెలుగు వచ్చా, ఇంగ్లీష్ వచ్చా అంటే అర్థమవుతుందా? నిజం చెప్పు, అర్థమవుతుందా? The sum of series of 5 consecutive odd numbers is 225. The second highest number of this series, wait, how many numbers? Sum is 225. Consecutive numbers, average in the sense middle number, 225 by 5. 45 is middle number. Assume numbers are in ascending order. Come on. Second highest number is this fellow. How much is that? 47. That is 15 less than. 47 is 15 less than 62 only. So 62 is second lowest number of another series of 5 consecutive even numbers. So there are 5 more numbers. They are all consecutive even numbers where the least number is 62. Then only 47 will be 15 less than that. Understand? What is 60% of the highest number of this series of consecutive even numbers? Where difference is 2, right? Come on, start telling me. Next number. Next. Last. And we need to find out 60%, right? 50% plus 10%. 50%. 10%. Sum. Fifth option. A boat takes a total time of 8 hours to travel 60 kilometers upstream and the same distance downstream. The speed of the current is 1/4 of the speed of the boat in still water. Speed of the current is 1/4 of still water speed. That means boat speed and stream speed are in the respective ratio 4:1. 60 kilometers covered in downstream, 60 kilometers covered in upstream. And the time is equal to 8 hours. Assume 4 parts and then 1 part. Downstream speed m plus s. Upstream speed m minus s. 3 parts. 5 12 times. 3 20 times. Denominator is same p. Numerator is 32. Is equal to 8. then P is equal to 32 by 8, which is equal to 4. What is the speed of the boat in still water? M is equal to 4 parts. Answer 16. B is 50% more efficient than A. Now there are two members A comma B. They are talking about efficiency. B's efficiency is 50%. Fractional form 1 by 2. Denominator 2. Assume A is 2 parts. B is 50% more than 2 parts. 3 parts. It's their efficiency. If A can complete 5/7 of given task in 15 days. 5/7, what is denominator? Assume 7 floors we have to construct. Numerator, how many floors are already constructed? So to complete 5 floors, how many days it is taking? Per floor? Total 7 floors? 20. So A takes 21 days to complete the work. And A per day will do 2 parts of work. Then total work is equal to 42 parts. Now, what fraction of the same task would remain incomplete? Remaining work. That's what we have to find out. If B works on it independently for 7 days, B per day will do? In 7 days he will do 21 parts. Work is done. Remaining 21 parts, which we should give in terms of fractional form. Avuna? How much is total work? Then remaining work is equal to 21 parts by 42 parts, which is 1 by 2. Jar A has 68 liters of mixture of milk and water in the respective ratio 8:9. Jar B, which had 20 liters of mixture of milk and water, emptied into jar A. That means poured into jar A. B is added to jar A. Antena? As a result, in jar A, the respective ratio of milk and water becomes 5:6. What was the quantity of water in jar B? Water quantity in jar B. Avuna? Right. 68 liters are in the ratio 8:9. How many parts? If 17 parts is equal to 68, each part is equal to in the 4. 8 parts 32. 9 parts 36. This is milk and water, correct? To this we are adding some quantity of milk and water both together. Avuna? Now this will be the final quantity of milk and water in final container. Yes. In final container, milk and water are in the ratio 5:6. A has 68 liters. B has 20 liters. Both together has 88 liters. That 88 should be divided in the ratio 5:6. 88 is divided into 11 parts. Each part. Water is equal to 6 parts. 6 into 8. Then how many liters to be added to 36 liters to make it 48 liters? 12 liters. So in jar B, how many liters of water do we have? Come on. That's it. Okay, now. Product is 54. -6 -9 is the combination. Agreed? 63 can be written as 7 into 9. 2 into 7, 14. -9 -14 is the combination. Then factors are 6 comma 9, 9 comma 14. Correct? X is less than or equal to y. Product is 30, -5 -6, -7 -8. These are the combinations. Then factors are 5 comma 6, 7 comma 8, x is less than y. Clear? Product must be 28, 4 and 7 plus 7 plus 4. Yes. Now product must be equal to 140. Matladru 140. 140. Wait a minute. This 28 can be written as 4 into 7, 5 into 4, 20, and then 7. Then factors are minus 4, minus 7, minus 7, minus 20 divided by 5 we have to write. Yes? This is equal to minus 1, 2 by 5. This is minus 4. X is less than or equal to y. Negative kada? Minus 4 plus 3. ఎందుకే నువ్వు వేరే వాళ్ళు తీసుకున్నా వద్దు వద్దు స్వామి నువ్వు factors are plus 4 comma minus 3. This is y plus 2 whole square is equal to 0. Y is equal to minus 2 lies in between these two numbers, right? Then answer no relation. (21) can be written as 3 into 7, 3 threes and then 7 is the combination. Is that okay? Now 2 into 25, 50. 50 can be written as Vellu. Come on. Then factors are minus 7, minus 9 divided by 3. Minus 5, minus 10 divided by 2. Now, let's simplify this. Minus 2 1 by 3 అంటే 2.3 అనే కదా మైనస్ అయిపోయింది అనుకుంటా ఆన్సర్ లైజ్ ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ దీస్ టూ నంబర్స్ 2.5 లైజ్ ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ దోస్ టూ ఆన్సర్ నో రిలేషన్ అబ్బా what is this equals to 1.25. This one and this one and this one, these three numbers goes to right hand side, right? 0.25 plus 0.5 0.75 plus 0 0.75 avuna. If that goes to right hand side, from integer if you subtract 0.75, answer should end with Amma point. How many options are there? Arre. Sare కానీ ఇంకేం చేస్తాం 1.5 1.25 2.75 plus 4 6.75 subtracted from this number answer 0. This can be written as 2 power 4. 2 power 4 cancellation in 2 power 8. Right hand side will be 2 power 4. X is equal to option 3. Answer option 13. 5. 2 by 7, 4 by 7. 13. 17 3 times cancel avuna 1 plus 2 by 3 fifth option come on 18.5 goes to the other side. 21 minus 18.5. 2 point can be written as 5 by 2. Left hand side 4 by 9 into x into 1 by 320. Denominator 9 multiple. In numerator you should have 9 multiple. Avuna? You should have 9 multiple. 4 is not a 9 multiple. Right hand side denominator, do you have 9 multiples? At least 3 multiples. Then x must be a 9 multiple. Can it be first option, second, third, fourth, fifth? Answer? Done. How many 7.5 there in right hand side? Left hand side, how many 7.5s are there? Then 1 gets cancelled, right? Then there will be only one 7.5. Out of 7.5 already how much is there? Then how much more you need to have? 2 point. Fourth option. Come on. How many 9s are here? Plus how many more are there? Total how many are there? Total how many are there? That means in under root you are having 9 into 16, right? If it comes out 3 into 4, 12 plus this number, 60. (28) can be written as 7 into 4 can be written as 2 square. 7 into 7, 7 square. Avuna? Plus 10 is equal to 12 into something. If it comes out, it will be 2 into 7, 14 plus 10, 12 cancellation in 24. Answer? Option 5 how many times? Is to 50. 5 how many times is to 50? 45% of 50 or 50% of 45. How much? 22 minus 4x goes to the other side. Left hand side we already have 22.5. Right hand side 14.5 will come to left hand side, becomes minus 14.5. How much is this? Then x is equal to? Answer? Option? X is in power for 2, correct? Okay. Now for these type of questions, I'll concentrate only 2 powers. 4 can be written as to the power of 2, which is 2 power divided by base 6. Is it a 2 multiple? Is it 4 multiple? Only. So 6 can be written as 2 into 3. 6 power 4 can be written as 2 power 4 into some number. I don't know what it is. I don't need also. 2 power 4. 18. Is it 2 multiple? Is it 4 multiple? So 18 can be written as 2 into 9 only. 18 square in the sense 2 square into some other number square. I don't need what it is. Into 2 square. What is numerator? 2 power 8 by? Answer 2 power? Answer? Done. As it is about 2 power something, leaving 2, whatever the other stupid numbers are there, we don't have to bother about it. Ardhamaindi kada? Right. We have to consider 2. 4 multiples unte teeskovala? Yes. 4 can be written as 2 square kada? Ardhamainda? So you can forget about odd powers, odd number powers. Even number ఉన్న దగ్గరల్లా మనం 2 కి పవర్స్ తీసేసుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా? తీసుకుంటే కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. క్లియర్? రైట్.